Do you have to deal with conflict in your workplace? Have you ever thought, gosh, that's management's job to make everyone get along? Well, it turns out it's not. And if you're in systems engineering, you can really separate yourself from the pack if you can go in there at the staff level and manage some of this conflict. Okay, so first, let's debunk the myth that it's management's job. Management is there to help facilitate the staff doing the work. They bring in resources. They do manage conflict, let's say, between two people of different departments, if it elevates to that. But we really don't want to elevate to that. Because if we can go in there and with various techniques, in my other posts, but there's lots of other literature out there. I like Crucial Conversations. That's a great one. The role of handling conflict, if we take that on, we're going to be known as a savvy engineer that management can trust to put in charge of projects. And if interpersonal conflicts come up, then, if we can handle things at our level, then management will realize, hey, you can run things that are larger because, certain conflict that comes up, you can handle it. Not everything elevates to management. Now, if it's serious, if there's any kind of sexual harassment or anything illegal, that needs to be elevated to management just from a legal perspective. And so the right human resources can be brought in and you can protect yourself legally. But if it's just people not getting along or two people not talking to each other, for whatever reason, and usually it's something outside of work, if we can handle that ourselves, bring those skills to bear, listen to each side, there's different conflict management techniques, but if we can resist the temptation to immediately go to management, then we'll be maturating in our systems engineering career by handling some of these softer skills, and we'll show that we can handle some interpersonal issues. If we want to be a manager one day, or if we want to go into, let's say, a lead systems engineer role or a chief systems engineer, this is something we're going to need to do. So please remove the idea that conflict management is management's job. That's everyone's job, particularly if we can handle it at a low level. We can save time. We can save our manager headaches, which always helps our career. And also we can exercise those soft skills that we're going to need, not just at the next level, but really at our current level. If you're a systems engineer and let's say you've been on the job for a couple of years. So comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next post.